Good morning, students. Have a blessed day. Hope you all are safe and healthy. I am Savita Srivastav, computer teacher from Kartika High School and Junior College. As you all know, we are learning Microsoft Office and we had already completed some of the topics like MS Word, MS Excel, MS PowerPoint in the previous year. So for this academic year, you're going to learn about MS Access. So let us start with the chapter 1, Computer Accessories. So let's get started.
Let us start with Chapter 1 Computer Accessories Part 1. Now first I will explain you what do you mean by accessories. Accessories give more importance to your personal style, taste and preferences. Accessories are items of equipments that are not usually essential but which can be used with or added to something else in order to make it more efficient, useful or decorative. Some of the human accessories are sunglasses, keys, watch, purse, mobile, my foot bag, spectacle, bow, tie, and the new accessories which is most important for nowadays is mask and sanitizer for your safety. Like human accessories, there are computer accessories also. Computer accessories are also known as computer peripherals and it can include printer, scanner and storage devices. The best way to assess which computer peripheral would be useful for your business or job in IT. Some of the computer accessories are printer, laptop, USB, scanner, headphone, barcode reader, external storage device, speaker. So these are all computer accessories which are essentially required in a IT job. I hope everybody understood the meaning of accessories and difference between human accessories and computer accessories. Now let us start with the introduction part of computer accessories. A computer is a programmable machine. The two principal characteristics of computer are it responds to a specific set of instruction in a well-defined manner. It can execute a pre-recorded list of instruction. A computer is capable of performing computation at an extraordinary speed. Its processing power is often compared to that of a human brain. Now computer is compared with the human brain means the features of computers are it work very fast, it gives the result accurate and it does not get tired, that is diligence. Now here I will explain why computer is called a programmable machine. A programmable electronic device that can be used to store and manipulate data to carry out designated functions. The two fundamental components are hardware, that is the actual electronic device, and software, that is the instruction or program used to carry out the function. The four main components required for programmable machine are divided in four layers: hardware, operating system, application and user. Student, let us see the diagram in detail. What is shown in the diagram? Have a closer look. First layer is a hardware layer. Second layer is the operating system layer. On the top of that there is the application layer and the last one is the user layer. To understand this, let us see the layer one by one. The first layer, that is hardware. So in computer, hardware are those parts which we can see and touch. Example, CPU, keyboard, mouse, monitor, printer, etc. So if we don't have software installed in CPU, the machine is dumb. So to activate those peripheral devices, we require software called operating system, which has to be installed in CPU. Our computer will get start and be ready to perform different tasks. So that is the importance of second layer, that is operating system. Example, Windows, Linux, Ubuntu, Mac OS, Fedora, Android, etc. are the example for operating system for computers. Same way in mobile too. If your mobile phone is looking so smart, but if operating system is not installed in your mobile device, so we cannot make use of it. Best latest operating system give more value to your mobile. To make your mobile more smart and speedy, install latest upgraded operating system. So your mobile device should have best operating system like Android, iOS, Mac OS, etc. So that is the importance of operating system layer. Now if your computer is having only operating system, can you do all other important work on computer like documentation, presentation, or preparing bill and budgets, create database, accounting and programming? No, we cannot do it. So for that we require application software. For example, MS Office, where we can do documentation, where we can make presentation, where we can do calculation work in Excel, and we can create database too. There are different application software like Tally for accounting. Same way in mobile too. We require different applications, for example, Facebook, WhatsApp chat. So these require application software to be installed in your mobile device. If you want to do any shopping, we require application software like Amazon, we require Flipkart. So these are all the application software which has to be there in your mobile device too. Now the last one is most important layer, that is user layer. We all computer user are coming under this layer. Without user, computer system cannot work. So we are the layer, that is user, which is most important layer for using computer. So these are the important layers. I hope everybody understood. Now let us learn. The computer system comprises of three units: the central processing unit, that is CPU, input device, and output device. The central processing unit, CPU, is the unit which performs most of the processing work inside a computer. It processes all instructions received by software running on the PC and by other hardware components, and it acts as a most important and powerful device. CPU is called brain of the computer system because it does all the calculation work. It stores the information. It does the work of comparison and analysis. The CPU is made up of three main components: the control unit, the arithmetic logic unit, and the memory unit. Summary for Chapter 1, Computer Accessory, Part 1. So student, today we had learned accessories, that is human accessories and computer accessories. Introduction of computer, why computers are called programmable machine, component of programmable machine, The computer system comprises of 3 units. So these all topics I hope you all understood. So we will meet and learn other remaining topics in next video of part 2 for the same chapter 1, that is computer accessories. So student, meet you all in the next class. Till then, goodbye. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe and healthy.